Well, I said I was gonna go out and try to make some bangers for you guys, so I am. But since I live in the middle of nowhere, I decided to go where all the action is. I'm going to LA! And I have so many plans in place to record along the route and while in LA. Just some of the things include attempting to break some world records, I'm gonna visit some of the classic LA sites, and of course, I'm gonna be working at the Airrack, world's largest pizza party. Now you're probably wondering to yourself, how are you gonna do all this, Rich? No problem, I got it all figured out. I've got money in the bank, all the food I need prepped, an easy 2-day route, a place to stay, and I even have a bed waiting for me. Oh yeah. See? Perfect. Now, as some of you out there might know, I'm no stranger to adventure or discomfort. But this is gonna be my longest road trip to date. So make sure you guys subscribe below so you don't miss any of these videos when they drop. If you guys wanna meet up along the way, or if you have any places that are just a must-see, comment below and I'm gonna be making sure to pick one of them to go visit. And if you've ever been to California yourself, or you've ever wanted to visit, hit that like button, and the next time I'll see you guys, I'll be out west.